Well, the U.S. also broke a record on Tuesday, hitting a 7-day average of over 254,000 new COVID-19 cases. That's several thousand cases higher than the record it set back in January. Amid the rising case numbers, U.S. health experts have also been raising concern about the CDC's decision to cut in half the recommended isolation period. Only around 62% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated, and only 32% of those vaccinated have received a booster. Our Washington correspondent Kethevane Gorjestani has more on the latest case numbers.
A record has been broken on that seven-day rolling average for new cases, a record that was done back in January 11th, 2021. Since then, now you're seeing about 255,000 daily cases here in the United States. And that is the bad news. The good news is that even though you're seeing hospitalizations and deaths on the rise a little bit in the United States, it is nowhere near the numbers and the peaks that we saw back in January at the same time as that previous case record. So the hope is that those hospitalizations and death are not going to follow the same explosion that we're seeing with the cases. That said, experts are warning that some hospitals are already being overwhelmed by the number of people because you're still seeing an overflow, a surge of people going into the hospitals. Of course, those people who are still unvaccinated. Right now in the United States, there's about 62% of the population that is vaccinated, fully vaccinated, and that is one of the key problems in the United States. It also depends on which region of the U.S. you're looking. Right now, the U.S. is being hit hard in the Northeast and also in the Midwest, the places where the cold weather has already come in, and it's especially being hard hit here in the DMV area, as it's called, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia. The District of Columbia, Washington, D.C., actually seeing the highest rate of infection. You're right now seeing 169 cases per 100,000 people. That is the highest risk location in the United States right now. And the health experts are saying that this is because there's a sort of a mix of two variants, the Delta variant and the Omicron variant coming in at the same time. And those experts also warning that we haven't seen the worst of it yet. Some experts are saying that we should expect about 500,000 daily cases in the first week of January if things don't change.
Kethevane Gorjestani reporting for us there.